Hello viewers, I'm Sang Shilbagurim with Sunseo Sujun. Here's the May 10th, 2025 briefing on the Indo-Pakistan front. Stay tuned for more updates. This is New Delhi. According to Al Jazeera's report, it has been confirmed that the Pakistani drone is currently conducting reconnaissance over New Delhi. The Indian Ministry of Defense has announced that they have entered the highest state of alert. This is Kashif. I am a member of the Pakistani military. From the border area of Kashif, Pakistani artillery units are currently shelling the Indian military. This is Kashif. The Pakistani military is launching artillery attacks on India. The Pakistani military is attacking while shouting Haider, the nickname of Ali, son-in-law of the Prophet of Islam and fourth caliph in the line of succession. A video from Sialkot, Pakistan reportedly shows Indian fighter jets being shot down by Pakistani anti-aircraft fire. The footage of the shoot-down has been uploaded. Civilians are gathering near the crashed fighter jet. Social media reports indicate people have hurried to collect debris from the site. Sialkot, Pakistan is currently under attack by the Indian military, with Indian drones analyzing the area and Pakistani fighter jets operating in the skies above the city. A massive blast occurred close to the Pakistani army headquarters in Rawalpindi, Pakistan. The explosion in Sialkot, Pakistan is thought to have been caused by an error made by the Indian military. This is Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan, located south of Rawalpindi. An Indian attack is underway. Unconfirmed reports suggest a Pakistani C-130 transport aircraft was shot down during this process. This is Rawalpindi, Pakistan. In Rawalpindi, the Pakistani military headquarters is located. However, when the Indian military attacked, a massive explosion erupted. The Indian military reportedly also attacked 3 other Pakistani military bases. According to Pakistani media reports, the Pakistani military allegedly attacked and destroyed an Indian BrahMos missile storage facility. This is Indo-Vihas. The BrahMos cruise missile storage facility is currently under attack. This is Indo-Punjab. It is one of the Indian military facilities located in Indo-Punjab. It has been confirmed that the facility is on fire due to an attack by the Pakistani military. This is Indo-Rajari. Pakistani missiles have struck an Indian military ammunition depot in Indo-Rajari. A Pakistani military convoy has been confirmed to be moving toward the Indian border. Currently, the Pakistani military is launching intensive airstrikes on 26 Indian military bases located in Jammu Kashmir, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, and New Delhi. Reports indicate that Pakistani fighter jets have attacked India's Pathankot, Udhampur, and Gujarat Air Force bases after crossing into Indian territory. According to an unofficial Pakistani military report, smoke has been observed rising from Indian air bases. The Pakistani military attacked 20 Indian military facilities in this operation. This is footage of a missile being launched from Pakistan toward India. It is not yet confirmed what type of missile it is, but it appears to be a missile launch. The Pakistani military carried out this attack against India, and they announced that if India responds, they will carry out additional strikes. India has stated that if tensions with Pakistan escalate, they will deploy their aircraft carrier fleet to the northern Arabian Sea. They say that the aircraft carrier fleet has been deployed so that they can directly attack Karachi, the main port city of Pakistan. The Pakistani military has not officially commented but announced they are prepared. The Pakistani military announced that India fired 6 missiles at Pakistan, with 1 landing in Udhampur and 5 landing in Amritsar. The Pakistani military stated that they are responding to India's missile attack on their country. Noor-Khan Air Base, Sambrial Air Base, and Murad Air Base were attacked. The Pakistani military convened the National Command Authority, responsible for nuclear weapons control. According to Reuters, the Indian military is operating in Pakistani airspace. However, Al Jazeera reports that Pakistan has closed its entire airspace. India has said it is currently challenging to reveal specifics about the Indian Air Force's strike on the Pakistani military. They pledged to reveal shoot-down details at the right time. The G7 urged restraint and dialogue between Pakistan and India to reduce tensions. We'll organize and upload any further news about the India-Pakistan conflict. Citizens in India and Pakistan regions should check Ministry of Foreign Affairs announcements and prepare to evacuate. That's all for the video. Thank you.